Ooh, another package. Wonder what this could be. Let's just open it up, see what we got here. Uh-oh, I ain't cutting nothing. Well, I'll be. It ain't my brand new Oris Skottle. All right, we're going to unbox this little Skottle here. Check it out and see what we're going to need to do assembly on it. Never put one together, so. Oh, got the little burner. Gonna need them. Ain't gonna chunk them away. Got some legs for it. Let's see what we got in this box right here. Looks like the platform for it. Tell I'm kind of like a kid in a candy store. I'm kind of excited about this. Looks easy enough. Okay, we're going to start the assembly process here. Put the legs on it. Got these little old bolts in there with this little thumb tightening deal. I'm kind of old, so we might have to tighten them up a little bit more when I get through. The directions actually showed it going a different way, but I think if we get the legs on it, it'll make it a lot easier to put this thing together. Mount this little burner in there. And these stupid things, they are hard to get them little boogers on there. They're tiny. We need somebody with little grill fingers. Alright, it does come with these three little about 10-inch legs that you can screw in the bottom of the disc, and I guess you can use it like to cook over a campfire. It took me a minute to figure it out because the directions don't say nothing about them, but we're about got it. We're going to put the little thumb screws in the bottom of the disc here. The directions, not going to be a lot of value to you. I didn't go by nothing it said, so, but it's pretty easy to put together. This video, we'll try to do it to where you can actually tell the easiest way to put this baby together. I think we're going to go get a bottle of gas, chunk it on there and see if it'll light up. And we do have this little lid that come with also. That was the option. The regular Skottle don't come with the lid or the carrying sacks. I think it's another 50 bucks for the lid and the sacks probably. So I think we're good to go. They also tell you that you only need a Phillips screwdriver. Not. I'm going to throw a tank of gas on it. I kind of like the ease of that. You don't have to carry your big old propane bottle with you, big old hose. We've been doing that. Kind of inconvenient. First light. snap. Note to self, not so much gas. It's just my beard. You not smell hair. Alright, looks like everything's gonna work good on it. We're just gonna go ahead and shut her down. We'll see if we can get it in the little handy dandy carrying cases here without making too big a mess. Probably wouldn't want to do this when it's hot. I just throw these legs in there. Maybe these pouches will keep it from getting scratched up and dinged up too bad. Piece of cake, all hair intact. Alright, we got through doing the assembly on the Oris Skottle. It takes a Phillips flathead and an 11/32 wrench. That ain't exactly what they tell you in the directions, but I didn't follow them anyway, so that's alright. I got mine on eBay. You can also get them at the Oris website. I think mine was $3.89 with the cover and the 2 carrying sacks that come with it. It's $3.25 if you just want it plain without the lid in the sacks. We're going to take it out this weekend. We're going to hit some trails with it. We're going to do some cooking on it. We're going to give you our honest review, pros, cons, what we like, what we don't like. The cleanup on it. We're just going to kind of give you a little overview. Maybe in a couple weeks here we'll have that out. If you would like, subscribe, make a comment, let us know if you'd like to see more videos like this. We're also considering doing a comparison between the Oris and the Timbo Tusk on cooking, assembly. So if you would just leave a comment if you'd like to see that. We're thinking if we get to like 100 likes, we'll go ahead and buy one. We'll do a comparison. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.